This is the template to create a new project. And these are the three drop downs. From the first drop down, we have to select a language, that is a C++. In the second drop down, we have to select a platform. So this MFC application is going to work on a Windows platform. So select Windows platform, and a project type is a desktop application. So select a desktop application. Once you filtered out these three drop downs here, then all the applications are related to the desktop application. You can find it here with the C++, Windows, and desktop. Click on this MFC app. Then next. So this is the MFC application 1, the default project name. Keep the same for the first application, or if you want to change, then you can make a change of here. And this is a directory where you want to create this one, D drive magnificent MFC apps, and the solution and project into the same directory. Click on the create. So once you click on the create, so additional pop-up will open with the MFC application settings. So now we are going to see the simple dialog-based applications, dialog-based application here. So you can see there are multiple type of application. We can choose it from here. If you single document, then this tab document will be disabled. If you click on the multiple, then additional tab document will be enabled. Then this dialog based, nothing will be. Very less settings. In short, very less setting for this dialog based application. Multi top level document, again the additional settings will be opened. Now we are currently looking for this dialog based application. Click on it. Resources will be the same, English US. And then the first setting from this use of MFC with the shared DLLs. So dynamic link libraries for this Microsoft Foundation classes. We have multiple libraries available. So click on this, click next to the second tab, which is all these features are disabled, grayed out, so which are not applicable for the dialog-based application. So these are the some mainframe caption, file name ID, and all. So it's similar to what the project name what we have given here. The project name what we have given is MSC application 1. So doc type name, caption, everything is copied from this project name. Okay, click on the next. In this user interface features, there are some features we want: minimize box, maximize box. These are required for it or no. So for this application, we'll keep the default one, and only one what we'll do is dialog title, MFC app sample title. Okay, so we will see where it is going to appear in this application. Okay, next, and then again the advanced features also will keep default one, and these are the some classes which are going to generate from this application. So C MFC application 1 app. So C just for the class, header file with extensions dot, then .cpp file is MFC application 1.cpp. And this is a base class CWin app. Also all the features from this base class we are going to inherit on our application to make it a WinForm base, or we simply will say is a MFC application. Click on the finish. So it started completing this operation to create a default template for this application, MFC application. So now you can see here this has been created here. So this is a default template. Now the title what we have given here, we can see MFC app sample title. Okay, so now we'll make some changes to here just to understand how the controls are available. This is the first control. Even if it is not visible, we can go here and click on the properties. So this properties window will be available. Now this text control, that is a static editor, we can make the changes here into this caption. Okay, so welcome to MFC app. Okay, that's it. Okay, now once this is changed, welcome to MFC app, it's appeared here. Now we'll build this application, build MFC application. We have not done any more changes, just we have changed this statistics. It's all build succeed. Now this application is build succeed. Okay, now how it looks once we run it. Now we click on this run. This is the MFC application sample title. Welcome to MFC application.